Well, because we don't go get no world champs. So we want the Diamond League.
We don't get your trials.
We don't get your trials. We not get your world champs. We need to secure this Wayne Pinnock and Kerry McLeod matchup. Like, what's going on? We need a rematch. And we need it
No. All right. Welcome back to another episode of the Reason Being Podcast. I am your host, Kareem Bartley, with co-host
Odin Lewis.
You see me, and we're there again. Consistency. You see me? Every time.
No merch.
You see me, website too. I joke. No, you see me, I test out some product, man. You see
Yeah.
Anyway, Father, that's why I want to start. You know, I read up on land.
We can start on the rains.
On the rain. Yeah. Before we start, hold on. Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, it's free.
It's free. Yeah.
Definitely
Can't beat
free.
that.
Yeah.
Can't beat
Just
that.
tell a friend, man.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
Simple as that. We'll go through it,
Yo, the rain was amazing, bro. It was a great day in the rain.
The rain continues.
Yeah, rain continues. And then we produce in rain.
Brother.
Yeah. You know, fruits got to grow when it's raining.
Got to. Brother. I don't know what this brother Noah Lyles come talk about. Say, yo, sleeping a block and all these things. Who are you?
Yo, me always,
brother.
what me not understand, Zane, these continuous excuses after excuse when they get beaten. You have to say, yo, I'm get beaten.
Take care long.
Take care long, go through like anybody else. He wants you because he not get no good start and rule screw. I don't care, bro.
Was a reason. It come like one time when you get the bronze at Tokyo, he have asthma.
Oh, COVID.
Yeah, COVID. brother.
The man full of excuses, bro.
Full of excuses.
You know what I mean? I say, but as we did say last week, still in the bro, man. Tell us the man can run it, bro. You see me? There's data for sure. So you can run fast, you can produce when the time come. So why, when you're under one field, we're full of great athletes, you're not performing? You know what I mean? I say, the question's still there, no, bro.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong.
True.
Because...
Still let me see.
In full of confidence now, because he beat up Lyles whole heap of time this season already.
Yeah.
So he confident.
Hi.
You see by a man in the areas like But what if the spread is deeper than that?
Yeah.
You get me?
Well, alright. Only man I miss man race to me in a kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, and them are saying they must have like some shin problem or something.
Yeah, me would run him. No.
Listen, I need for him.
Me not run him again.
Yeah, he might have first.
Me would even go and fight Diamond League finals. You done get your L already. There's no more matchup until World Champs.
True.
Me give you your L already. Hold your L. Me not give no confidence going back.
True.
In World Champs.
True.
You know what I mean? I say? Because you give him a straight, now go straight. You know?
Yeah.
Make him go and worry about the L and get and stay with it, bro.
So you feel like Noah go run Diamond League final?
Yeah, you have it, bro.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
Think he had enough L for the season.
Too much on your last name, brother.
Too much.
Yeah, I think him a show, man.
Yeah, but definitely Seville went out there, especially in that horrible condition.
Yeah.
Oh, God, man.
Bro. Yeah,
983. No, 983. Let me just...
983.
983.
983, man.
983, yeah.
983 in a negative.
Negative
win.
Oh,
you see me?
It's crazy, man.
Bro.
Brother. Him take command another race.
Yeah, man. From get-go. From get-go.
There is no way. Where's the top end speed you're talking about?
No, man. He brother run back still. No,
him get beaten this actually.
Yes, but he run. He run.
Yes.
See, last 10 meters, boy, I run, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
But too bad.
So you go.
Yeah.
So you go.
But
Jamaica on top.
Yeah. But me just want him can produce the same thing when he's a stock in a final.
Yeah.
We need a medal, bro.
In a world final.
Yeah. We need a medal.
Yeah.
We yet to get a medal, bro.
Yeah, for real.
At this time, man, no. Give you a medal, bro. World Champs coming up. We seen the data. We seen everything.
Yeah.
We need a medal.
I'll get it, man.
We would like to see the 1-2. When they call it
Quinella.
We would like to see the 1-2. Yeah. Me not care what order I want to be in.
Yeah.
I just want to see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For real. So you feel like say, all right, come here again. They must say Kishin pull out because of some shitting problem. I feel like say just a little stunt. Steve now pull.
Yeah, of course.
Nothing wrong with him.
Yeah, no.
So
him good, man.
nothing wrong with him.
No.
I feel so too.
No.
But the Sherry thing feel like say yo sitting I just feel like keep her.
Yeah. I mean, more the force Sherika thing yet. You know
No, bro. I Sherika that, bro. Veteran, bro. No, bro.
When I force fear thing.
Yeah.
She the governor and she after the run one. We just did want to see where she did. See where she did already.
Yeah.
I have no worries.
And she feel good now herself.
And she feel good.
Some even better.
Yeah. You see me? Because you run on that crazy load, bro. And you come out and you give us a great performance. Because I like it. I'm like to see it good on wire to wire, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Especially night one.
Yeah, especially like wire for wire.
Yeah.
And your shows, I can see say, me can see you know do no speed training. Because speed training is lacking.
Yeah, like in going back to the quarterman training.
Yeah, and going back. You load, you under load. Yeah. And if you can contaminate a field under so much load, of course, bro.
For real.
Me don't want to see you run again.
True.
Go and go rock some big bush league. We don't want to see. We don't want no air time right now.
You're not thinking if you're running at all, I know.
Yeah, no man, of course. See him tell us, my girl.
Who that?
We want more. That's what I tell us.
Lucky now.
Lucky, bro. She's not running again, bro.
Brother, I seen post a story, must say, today or yesterday. Dally dog.
You see
no, big man thing, brother. Yo, years, straight.
Yeah,
years.
the confidence is there, fam. That's what I say, yo, she don't need to run again, fam. Go and cool out, I know. And go and rally back. Your confidence is so high right now, baby girl. Yeah, man, you just come show up at the World Champs, bro, and just dominate and give you some. Yo, can I put her in a contender for my dad still?
And if you ask questions, you know, when my dog link me and say, yo, how we have with her?
Me?
Yeah.
I like her.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you're here. No, real talk. And my dog say, oh, this man love that portion. This I'm going to say, I don't even know that.
Bro, this is a new generation.
Yeah.
Yeah, athlete where me can see how she upcoming, bro. She can dominate the forefront. We step up and fill the void with Shelly and
Sherika.
No, with Shelly.
Oh, Tia. Hold on, we have all gen?
Yeah, and Elaine.
Okay, Elaine.
We fill the void with that. You know what I say? So.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call Tia Saunders?
No.
So, me definitely see her and where she come from. They're always about the beautiful story, bro.
True.
And we Jamaicans, we like the stories.
Yeah, I really story.
You know, it's a story, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say, the transition where she did old for so long and she come back in and she take time work her way in.
Yeah.
We love to see it.
True.
And she dolly down.
Yeah, man, she dolly down. I nah lie, I see the story on IG, man. I say, yo, big more like you get it, like you check land. Like I need that check clear.
Three stripes, man.
3 stripes. Yeah, for real, man. They're going good this year.
Yeah, man, they're going very good, man.
Yeah.
And I want it for your continue. You know what I mean? I say,
no, man, talk continue, man.
Yeah, definitely, man. Go on.
Shelly. She run what the get 4th. You feel about the run?
Why?
I personally I mean feel too. Alright. I'm kinda go back to what you say. You're a loving legend.
Go on. Go on.
Me don't admit it now, but me as a man, so I'm gonna admit it, brother. You're right. Yeah. And I feel like I second time I say right. Right. Yeah. You know, look good, but she get third chance.
Yeah.
So,
There's no way, shape, or form I can ever beat Shelly, bro.
Yeah.
Shelly is like a goddess in my eyes, bro.
Yeah,
she can't do nothing wrong.
Real.
You know what I mean? I say
spoil.
She's spoiled. She's a spoiled child.
Yeah.
At this time, but the thing is, she earned it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say.
Yeah.
So what made it I say about the packing up issue is protect your legacy.
Yeah.
Regardless, I mean, I don't know why you wait this long. And
Richard Millie, bro.
Tap but the Richard Millie business.
Richard Millie, bro.
Yeah, but me not know why.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say something. I say, yo, protect your legacy. Don't you give them younger generation too much perks. But they say, oh, you know, some Maroon left Shelly already.
Yeah.
That me as that a point of view that me I come from.
Yeah.
You don't get them little younger generation if you have one talk and say, yeah, maybe of course me beat up Shelly one heap of time. You know what I say so. But she done amazing, bro. And me not care how she go out or whatnot. I mean, I'm still a golden girl to us.
Yeah, bro.
Of course.
100%.
100%. I love it, but just don't want.
Yeah, man, that's
me don't want to end on that note.
Yeah.
If you know what they are, so done this.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
And you have a family now and thing. Go and go raise more kids now. This. You know what I say?
This is she post a story on a story on her Instagram with her son. A tree and put her on his spikes. That look nice, yo. I'm not telling you lie, bro.
Yeah, because them always go put them kids in a sports and something.
Yeah.
Track. But maybe transfer portal be open.
Brother.
But no, me not believe so.
Yeah.
Because it would have been the same thing like me that say Olympia and that you said both bit of them.
No man, both pin them different.
Nah, going at transfer portal for sure.
Yeah, mad no. I'm more like Asafa, you and Blake.
Yeah, so Asafa did have the same narrative. Say, oh, Fee them can run for Jamaica and rules crew. I mean, to each his one. You know what I mean? I say, I think,
make your opinion for Jamaica?
I mean, if it's white, brother, I feel them choice, bro.
But alright, if you got it your way, Jamaica are
no comments. No comment. Alright, I want to tell you, the market there, see, in Jamaica, bro, very feasible for athletes, bro. Monetary wise, bro. If you don't depend on it, that level there. Yeah. You know what I mean? I say, you still have to try to make ends meet, bro. Yeah. You get me? I understand it's a per capita thing and whatnot, but in feasible, bro. Yeah. And the marketing aspect of it harder, bro. Yeah. You know what I mean? I say,
what's your name? Don't forget Dejanay Oakley. I don't even know I should go Georgia, I think she run 400. She's sponsored by On. I think she's first Jamaican sponsored by On. So that we out of we rim.
Right.
Yeah, man. Love that, brother.
Yeah, I say,
love that, brother.
It's hard.
Yeah, bro.
You know, I say, there's not, I say, they don't have access to it, you know. Yeah. But it's hard if you're not a big name. Yeah. You know what I say? I mean, could the agent play a role in that too?
Yeah. What agent again? The actors that a boy. Sorry. Man, brother name on Calabar old coach name.
Old coach?
Nah, man, the one them man we did with Donkey man them man.
Oh, the one that?
Yeah, when he go blind.
We go blind?
Yeah, man, dog go blind every time.
I remember.
That the man, Kobe coach, that the man, the theme son.
Okay.
Yeah, of our agency.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, actors.
Okay.
Yeah. And they saw Courtney signed to them, Kenny Benedict signed to them. Yeah, bro.
So, but where me see it, you know? Yeah. If you have one group athlete and the dynamic there where you have overseas athletes, you have local athletes, you're local yourself. Yeah. I mean, why can all the athletes be presented with the same opportunity though?
Hold on, I don't understand that. What do you mean?
So with the agent you talk about.
Yeah.
I say, why you can't present the same opportunity to all your clients?
I think it's different still now. Because it depends on the athlete and the event. Yeah, and the event. But she have good. She have very good.
Who more signed with? More.
Ashanti more. So she Adidas and she had Jamaica, but that's a QB. Yeah, QB are all Adidas man. Okay. From Jamaica, yeah. Other man did that man if you are.
Yeah, because bro, I know it's sometimes unconventional and thing, bro. Like
unless you do it feel further. Well, I got to.
There's other shoe company out there. We just want to stick to it one Puma and Adidas and Nike, bro. Right now, get me a Reebok contract, bro.
Yeah.
Give me a Reebok, give me a On, give me a New Balance. Something else, bro. You know what I mean? I say. But I preference still because we grew up in a Puma world.
Yeah.
You know what
like Americans and Nike. Them love Nike, you see, brother.
Brother, they're so die-hearted to Puma, I don't understand. Like,
yeah, bro. Something.
The more, as I say, I always come back down to the marketing perspective and if they don't want to put themselves at the forefront. We still have this humble thing, like humble calf drink the most milk. Yeah. Hell no! Brother. Humble calves do not drink the most milk. Let me tell you that.
Brother.
You're not getting no milk at all.
Brother.
The milk done.
If one dog at me yard, I'm going to story. If a dog at me yard, the dog live at me yard.
You got to go get that.
And you see one time, me a dog sit, and the dog come and eat out of the dog bowl. The dog look at me like me must give him food.
No,
yo, man.
No,
get your own food, brother.
Brother, you sit there and wait and watch everything go by you. I go pick up the what's left. No, humble calves do not.
No, brother.
Get the most milk, brother.
Yeah, everybody talk about
If you want the most milk, you have to go get that.
Go get it, brother. Milk all the cow yourself, bro.
That's
yeah,
true.
Bro.
Yeah, bro. So,
bro,
them athletes said they have to know to market themselves more. Because
Then too depending upon confidence, in my opinion. That.
Yeah.
Like, if they not run fast, they don't feel like they must put themselves forward. If they run slow, then just lock in.
Bro, I think we live in a social media world right now. Bro, I need just post content.
Yeah, bro. Brother, content. If you're an athlete, you have fans. Mm-hmm. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Keep up. That's it.
They don't want to post.
Yeah.
Like, we only see like our athlete will post, yo. Say I want they win a race or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. But tell a story, bro. Like, okay. Do I walk through and say, okay, for instance, you come last in a race. So for example.
You need to post a face, just some words. Something.
You can't say, yo, this happened, this blah, blah, blah. People like stories, bro. Don't find a way to get creative and tell some stories.
You can't say, we are Jamaican and creative, brother. We extra, brother.
Oh, God.
We extra, brother. We are
brother, we make anything with our ear.
See, man, Van Cat and Van Cat racing, brother. Come on, bro. We too creative, brother. Come on,
we are very creative.
Yeah,
so
bro.
We not lack in that department. None at all. You get me? So I know what the capabilities there for them to do that, you know? But they not explore the options. Our mindset, we just talking at this. I don't understand, bro.
Yeah.
I just think these athletes need to leave Jamaica more often.
No. Oh, okay. Travel.
Yeah, travel. Explore them horizon. You know what I say? And get to tap into other culture.
Different people.
Yeah, different people.
Talk to other athletes.
Yeah.
You see me? Other athletes, brother, because, if I look upon like this little girl, and even know her from Germany, brother. This girl have about 1 million followers.
Yeah.
She's terrible. She's terrible, bro.
Yeah.
She's terrible, but guess what she have? She have the marketing power. Yes. Regardless, no matter how slow she run, brother. You go see her face.
Bro, they are going to need it, bro. The marketing, I think that's what most of the athletes are lacking.
I should that's what we call it rated. Account rated. Marketing 101.
Marketing.
I come and preach, brother.
Brother, it's got to be, bro.
Brother,
you know what I mean? It has to be, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I mean? I say, I can't start even locally because a lot of corporate company.
Yeah.
In Jamaica.
Yeah, that if them want to still, because I very rarely see corporate companies them support their
That's true. That's true. That's so very true.
It depends on the corporate companies, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Something with the dogs.
But yeah, man, they need to market themselves some more.
Like Level, Mr. Level I post a lot. Yeah. If Level not get something corporate locally by next year or end of this year, we not waste time.
Yeah.
For real. No, for real.
Yeah.
Because think about it, brother. Who is the next coming up?
Yeah. The man himself.
And me not to kiss you, but no say Fran run a tight shift. So for them think different. You see me? Fran not shift tight, brother. Why? But
yeah, and then
bro.
Plus then do both different events. What I want to see, bro, I want to see all them at least line up on the 200 line, bro.
We not see that. Bills are set, bro.
I would love to see it. You never know.
That's true still.
You never know.
Not on that front
until the rainy day.
Yeah, well, it done pull out and no say.
No, but they really have to understand, Ian. You sign with a company.
Yeah.
And the company want to help them sell them products. That is the biggest thing, bro.
That is what
if you do not market yourself and put yourself out there, it's harder to get a contract too.
Brother. Exactly.
People want to see your social media following.
Your presence.
Your
who you be, your personality. Brother, all right. Next big up, brother. Sherika Jackson. You know me love about Sherika Jackson Instagram, brother. She just post her face. All if you're the good brother, you just post in face, brother.
Yes.
Yeah, brother. Also she stay.
Yeah.
She stay. Brother.
A whole heap of other at least do it too, But they're not even, maybe they're not fast or something, but they might get into it. It might not be on a regular occurrence, but they might get into it. You know what I say? But you need fear more and we need to stop being so reserved.
Yeah, reserve is the word. maybe the word humble too harsh.
Yeah.
Reserve. Be less reserved. For real. Because you're athlete and you have fans.
Yeah.
People need to know what go on.
Yeah, that's why I say we like where it transition where
younger them.
We all like equipment them a go.
Yeah.
When they after they done finish and then start celebrating.
Yeah.
Engage
Fox.
with
the fans them.
the fans them, you know what I say so.
Cause we said track and feel like dead. And we are dead along with it because we not try.
Yeah, we have to try to save the sport somehow.
Yeah. We believe say a track is the only way. And track is the way. I mean, I like a track man reach us so, track make you reach us so. So imagine how far you can go with track, you see me?
A very long way.
Very long way, bro.
Very long way. It's important and everybody in Jamaica fast, bro. Everybody fast.
Sports day.
Sports.
All these things, brother.
Hey, sports day. I would me a medicine up on the weekend, no? I remember say, sports day is so mad. But me not know sports day really go on again.
Maybe you wouldn't pick in your yard, brother, but sports day go on.
Sports day go on again.
But almost every year is chill running, brother. So you know sports day.
You talk about it on the high school level.
Nah, man. What do you mean?
About a liquor pit today. This was go on for the liquor pit today way in the primary school and the high school.
Maybe
man. Them too cockatoo now.
Yeah. Like, me not think town school have sports day. I'm more country school thing that.
Cause alright, me tell you, cause one thing, you know. When I keep sports day, man, and Billy want the tracks man them for run, no. So why purpose of sports day if they want the tracks man them for run? But I so come to get to recruit, see some other talent too.
True. But that's a more country school thing, brother. And a town school type of living that, brother.
But we don't know, brother.
Alright, look on it. Most of them and tracks team them. A town.
Yeah.
So if me go buy a man, what the hell me I got sports day?
You know, so they need to stop that.
No.
Yes, bro. You can't have all athlete them in one place, bro. That no fear, brother.
Real Madrid, Golden State.
No, let me tell you, bro. It's because we have so much money we go linky liquor.
Real Madrid, Golden State.
But you no fear, man. You no fear. You don't fear have.
So alright, you have to me say.
Alright, finish.
You have to me say if you have the money and the resources to build your dream house, you're not Billy.
Yes, I am.
So why problem?
Yes, I am. But at the end of the day, bro, you build up your dream house, you know. All these, what am I going to phrase it? All these, you get all these materials. Yeah. All these materials. See it? Luxury. So, you don't want nobody else to have left liquor now? Left liquor luxury, left liquor material for some other people can take up to.
What, thief?
No, because they already have your teeth. You are got teethy.
Oh, me a teeth, me a spend the money.
No, you buy out.
Yeah.
You go under the table, go buy out. If you go get them material, unconventional.
A man, if you buy the table, so we come on that table, brother. Oh, me understand what you're saying. And that, they might try to cut out and say, you see me, but like, me don't have a problem with it, brother.
Yeah.
Me don't have a problem with it.
Maybe too, me never attend one town school.
Yeah. So, alright, want to NCAA?
That different, bro.
Oh, my
different
God.
Different fish. All of them have money, bro.
So, what problem?
Jamaica, they don't have access to all the same resources.
I agree. So, if I'm good enough, alright, look at it this way. Look at it this way. If you is look at it from an academic standpoint. If he's a bright sparks and a brother, and a school is you may give a scholarship, you know, but they might give 10 other man's scholarship. You're not a guy school?
Yes. But the same thing, you could get a scholarship at school where you go to the same way.
Yeah, but
the deterrent is gears, we sponsor, Puma, this. Bro. Oh, we have this tracker. You don't have to run for no more grass. Yes. We don't have to do this.
Brother, but it's like, alright, for example, I'm sure you have vibes. Same time me, before me did sign.
Yeah.
Me usually have two track shoes, brother. Well, I know.
Go on.
But you have two track shoes, brother.
Yeah.
So me sign dog, make it if you understand, say you're supposed to change the track shoes every 3 months, brother.
Every 3 months?
Every 3 months. Yeah, because not because the grip down their shoes and that, no means say don't want to say bounce. Yeah, bro. So when you learn them things like that, you get on a different level, bro.
Okay, so that's brother. When me just start tracking up, bro. First they are trading as a Air Force man.
The Vans, you have no dog, a white Vans, you know, bro. Yo, when me just start, brother, shin spin kill me, brother.
Until me I say, yo, me kick I say, you don't say Air Force, you can't run that, it's so flat.
Can't
you know what I say? Until you have to just go and BTB Air a one track shoes I get for you all here.
Yeah, that different, brother. But when you go there and experience nice life, brother. Come on, bro. You're right.
Me understanding, bro.
Yeah, bro, I just that,
it good, you know.
Yeah, it good.
It good. You know, because you can set up other deed for get better.
Yeah, and it exposure, bro.
And exposure, definitely exposure. You know what I mean?
definitely benefit from the exposure.
But yeah, make it sport. kind of die down.
Can't say
The
that
competition
because
now
football do
spread
that, brother.
across the level, you know?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but you see thing with track and field, like, especially in Jamaica, every year, you go spring up, brother. Every single year.
So low country, man, you have so much, bro.
Understand what you're
Yeah,
saying,
leave them alone. Leave the country school them alone, brother.
Brother, understand what you're saying, bro, but it's hard. If you not take the money, dog.
Yeah,
bro.
And I do with them, you know,
Appearance, I told. Washing machine,
Washing machine, brother. Yo, we didn't say, oh, parents, washing, one stove, and...
You know, say track and field is a poor man's sport.
Yeah, so me understand, yeah?
Yeah, bro.
But rather youth them so we can say, oh, okay.
True.
Erase them full up at one KC, Calabar, and so we see one other school too, you know what I'm saying?
I read talk. It talk out, man.
I mean, to it, the school never do their things still, you know?
Yeah. No, it didn't get away. It didn't get really bad.
Yeah, all the ball of them, everything.
Yeah.
You can't like go pack them up, spread the wealth, man, throughout the island.
Me understand, yeah, say, but it's rough.
Yeah, rough, man.
But back on track still.
Yeah, back on track.
Back on track. Panams them, junior Panams them, brother.
Yeah,
man, how much we get? We get 12 medal, 4 gold, 4 silver, 4 bronze, 4. Like win this type of thing.
4 for 4.
Yeah, man. Notable names: Joshua and James, goal line 445.56 championship record. Ingo USC, not the original USC, sorry. Gamecocks. Why for that? Yeah. Tyrese Hyman, I think him train up a brother name on international something. You see him coach where King James have, Christopher Taylor have, same club. Titan, yeah man. PB 48-9. Roman Stewart, Brands. Senior Shana K. Anderson, Brands in 400. Women get a championship record in a 4x1, 4-3-5-1. Man, them get silver 39-2. Discuss championship record 61-9. You see me, but all around good
4x4.
I think we didn't get that 4x4. Right down. I see how we get that 4x4.
306 there.
306, yeah.
I believe.
Yeah, I think that's 306.
I think 306. And not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Juniors.
Yeah, man.
I'm silly. I don't care what the 306.
Brother.
I mean, but what job well done. They did well.
Definitely.
They did well.
Definitely.
I not even know if every all-eye junior at least even get selected.
No man, I think I did more under 23 than anything.
More than the 20. Okay. Yeah.
Cause even Shema already go.
Yeah. My friend, I tell you, know him so young.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I went in post the story and I said, the daddy is so young, brother.
Brother, I didn't know that man was so young.
Brother.
I think he come 5th.
Yeah, 5th or 6th, something like that.
Yeah, good run still, you. Good run, man. Guns up, man. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. Where the brother name? Dennis. We go Gamecocks. I know a dog. I not lie. Him have a decent season, but for capital with a goal, brother. And a record, nice. Cause in a college, you see me, he's not a indoor man. I think I'm second year.
In the second year?
Yeah.
I'm in 45 this time of season.
Yeah, bro. That not bad at all. That not bad at all. However, I think our man is named Tim, a coach. I don't know if he coach him man named Julian. He usually coach Kentucky, University of Kentucky. Yeah. So if I had a man there coach, brother, big up yourself. Yeah, man.
And it kind of hard, you know, bro. After when the school year
done. That's hard, brother.
When the school year done, you know, brother.
Yeah.
And you have a condition your mind for they go train every day, you know, fam.
Brother.
It's crazy, man.
Crazy, bro.
It's crazy. Sometimes you want to do it. I say, forget this, man. Come see sometime, man. You have to me myself, brother. Yeah, sometimes I'm done, brother. I say, bro.
Brother,
I know some have trials and I say, yeah, I just want to be done, man.
I think you're part of it on a TV train. I say, you're training and you need to run. So you don't even know where you're there.
Mm-hmm. And that sometimes maybe you're alone, depends.
Bless you. See
thank you. Depends on how much people are trained after.
True.
You know what I mean?
And not much.
Yeah, not much. I could have you alone.
And you one soldier them, man.
Yeah, man.
For real.
If you go and do, but big up yourself, you, man.
Yeah, man. Youths them look good.
Yeah.
You see me not telling like jumps them look good. Sprints them look good, but in all, youths them look good to me. They might come up and the money might last long. So all this notion about the NCAA brilliant athlete, not true.
No, I do not believe that.
Never believe it.
No,
I
never believe that. There's no way, shape, or form I would ever.
No.
That's madness.
Yeah, madness, brother.
But they to each his own. Everybody can have their own opinion on that. But it's no.
No. I don't like the idea that people eat. I mean, not an advocate for the NCAA, clearly not. But like,
Oh, no. Oh, no.
they have them flaws. They have them flaws, brother. But, brother, if your product work, brother. Simple as that, brother. It work, brother. What happened after? When I leave my taxi car, me responsible for going via after the road. But I know that I think is it. Mm-hmm. But I think I did say it last week. If you not go sign to a school, brother, make sure you know say if you not done compete for the university, you can train there or have some other options, brother. Enough of them school that wanna run kill out on yourself for 4-5 years.
And done.
And when not done, poof, gone. Yeah. So now what I go up and be flashy thing, brother. Not all that gold is not all that glitter is gold.
It's gold,
yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
So a lot of people understand say, because me never signed for a school based on the money, but not on the monetary standpoint.
What do you mean?
I never signed because who did offer me money? More money, no?
I know so?
No, me never signed.
What you get? Alright. Anyway, like, continue the conversation. I'm going to talk about before in Continue the conversation. Because I remember when time media made that central, I let me come pick you up. So continue the conversation.
No, but me never signed barely on the fact. Say, okay, they might offer me.
Okay,
money.
X amount.
Yeah, X amount. I never did that. Me go there because I competition did it. Then they have
Charles.
They have Charles and they have other youth. Yeah. Then they have other youth. I have a couple man did a jump over 8 meter. I never did a jump 8 meter in time there. So me I go in and say, iron sharp the iron. So I say, okay, that's a good fit for me when I can go train with man already a jump further than me. You get me?
True.
So me always look on it, how me can improve an environment where me can improve. You know, most people just want to go in an environment where they can be very dominant.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
They want to be coach favorite. I do not care. I'm willing to go in and get the work done, you know?
Really.
So it don't make it a monetary factor to sign to one school.
Especially nowadays.
Especially now. No, in a
era,
they must show up money at that straight.
Yeah, that's true. And for all who want to come to Texas Tech, come, you know. Come. We have the money.
You have it?
No me. Them have it. Them have me not like no, really like I think they have 155 million in they have most money in NIL.
Who?
Texas Tech.
Eh?
Yeah, 155 million. The average across the university.
Can I get some more eligibility and go back?
Brother, I would have taken so right now, brother. 155 million, brother, for all sports. Obviously, most of them go to basketball and football. Yeah, but still. Yeah. But if I trickle down a couple thousand, so it's not like them don't have money, you know. Comfy money, yes, but understand, so if you come here, brother, you have a place to stay after the fact. Yeah. Yes, you know what the next school.
Are you recruiting?
No. No. You have a logo on me.
Well, I'm always be a die-hard Texas fan, you know. So, regardless.
And me not lie now. When I come here now, I plan to love Texas Tech, brother.
Eh?
I plan to love your dog. But I come here and love your brother.
Bro, it's amazing.
Yeah, it's nice. It's still dead still, but it's nice. Yeah, it's definitely nice.
Yeah, it depends by your mind frame and your mindset and what you are trying to achieve.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So if you like your party life and
no one
lifestyle.
party there, you know. Alright, not so. But you know, in a house thing, foreign style.
Yeah, it's different like but I say put it to like say, a big city like
A&M,
FSU and them place, you know.
Yeah.
If it up to them, they like kind of lifestyle, like maybe not gonna like yourself.
Yeah. But it's a place they call it gulag on the contract and field because nothing out there. So if you get good, you have to get good. Yeah. You see me? Because there's minimal distractions.
Yeah. So
minimal
that I think, but a lot of y'all young at least need that.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, money love hype life.
I don't want to go in a.
Yeah.
Me like. Even if Miami did give me $1 million, I never did that go.
Yeah.
I don't think so, bro.
Can't manage.
I don't think could have managed. With the Jamaican in me,
brother.
It's too much.
No, knocking, brother. I don't like go to my Jamaican. They still not, bro.
No, bro.
Believe, brother. I don't like it. Love Jamaicans.
Of course, I love Jamaican people, bro.
Yeah,
but sometimes they come around with some farmer.
Yeah. Some niceness. That have a better word. Some niceness. Some niceness, brother. Believe you me.
But we love one people, them, you know what I say?
Yeah.
But you have a lot of them, and you have a lot of envy, Jamaicans, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Especially when you see up on one part where you try to improve on your life, bro. Then we knock you, bro. Then we do things, then we invite, then we constantly want to keep you distracted, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I say? You have a firm still. Because you control your own destiny at the end of the day. But if you can not put yourself in an environment where you're going to be available for your distraction.
Fox.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
But come to Texas. We're not recruiting our house as well. It's a good university, isn't it? Next thing. I think last week we talked about the US and them drug doping thing. Hold on. See, we can find it still. Gabby Thomas, Olympic.
Gabby post something.
Yeah, I'm going to try to say I can't find it.
You know what's I'm coming?
You coming for it?
I'm still you know. I got you my DMs, I'm see her and I'm DMs, I say, what? I'm say, me did comment on this.
Yeah.
But me never mean to. I read it, but come like your mind want to say what your mind for say. So I say, oops. You see, take it down though, he get take down.
Such a boy.
So what you think she actually word for?
I see him coach him on, Kenny coach him on. Yeah. But I'm reading the tweet. You say, this is from Gabby Thomas, by the way, our official Instagram post. She said, doping coaches should be banned for life from coaching in the sports. Whether you're banned while competing as an athlete or caught distributing as a coach. Quotation for some both. I don't care. If you train under a coach who is known for doping once, twice, or even 3 times for some, you are complacent. That's my stance.
What's your stance?
Kind of disagree.
Me disagree because I believe in redemption, bro.
Yeah, bro. Me disagree, bro.
Me disagree.
Yeah,
it's a very bold statement to say from.
Alright, to me, it come from somewhere else.
Yeah.
It look like a choocha get her ass whooped for a year, brother. Me not tell no lie that.
So she said, yo, them man over there so do a pop man, we can't beat them.
Remember back in the day when I must say Carl Lewis, did make Ben Chance get caught, cause him knows him a do. Gabby's not doping. Gabby's not doping. But
yeah, I'm getting what you say.
Yeah, man say, hold on. If me a do drugs, and him a beat me, way him a do so.
I do more drugs.
I do that in bro. You see me?
Oh, God.
So, me for that, I noticed that, but she did clear up some allegations back in the day she didn't get some whereabouts thing, and we explain that on our stay with that. She should get 3 whereabouts violation, because she never really understand it, but yeah, bro.
It's very bold, man.
Yeah, man, it's bold, man, and she come out and do all that video. I can't even for the video, brother.
Yeah, but I not agree still, because
yeah.
people change, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's like you getting convicted for a crime, bro, and then you just say, okay, that goes staying for your entire life.
Yeah,
you know
bro.
So like you can't change and
you can't reform.
Improve. Yeah, you know what I mean? So is it? We understand the intention behind the post.
Yeah.
And the position where the athletes them Dana plus the coach. Yeah, we feel so because you have access to it and you've done it before.
True.
You will
do it again.
Encourage it. You know?
So me ask you a question. You feel like say once a cheater, always a cheater? No, not track and field, that's life.
No, bro.
Alright.
No, bro.
Me agree.
No,
Me agree.
Yeah. If you get caught cheating once, I mean, you see that try to figure out you like everybody else, you know?
Yeah.
You take one little thing, forget on little boots.
Yeah.
You get catched. You say, yo.
Yeah.
You don't go do your time already, you get one severe sanction.
Yeah.
I say, no, sir, I can't do that again because
it's real.
It's real, you know?
Yeah,
the
bro.
thing where you got you the sanction there, bro. Yeah, I said no. And you would advise if you had that leak, because you go through experience and you learn from it.
Yeah.
So
what if you go through and you don't get caught?
Good question.
You not get
bro,
caught.
this is a two-sided coin, you know, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's why I say his statement very bold.
Yeah. And last part, that is my stance. And she's a Harvard graduate, you know, so that it was very articulate. You see me? She makes sure you know, say, yo, not only that thing about that, me a ton panina, you see me? Yeah,
so,
bro.
I mean, if you never get caught, but they know, say, yeah, the joke. But Bro, we all know, bro, say athlete them.
Yeah, bro.
Get like a boots.
Something.
You know
Yeah.
But maybe true, she not take no boots.
Yeah. Maybe she's out.
She doesn't get corrupt and say, yo. But I not take boots every day. Oh, yeah, what I take some too. You know?
Man. True.
So I just saw you go, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, the man him just can't just take them boots and go under the radar. Not advising that though.
Yes.
You know.
Not an advocate for drugs.
Yes.
No doping. Say no to drugs. No to drugs,
But
brother.
yeah, people go do it and go under the radar and I get caught. And them go continue to do it. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
like we said last time, it go stand again.
Go
Regardless
stand.
of where they are, they say they brother.
That's something we never go stop. You see me? I just some people just get caught.
Yeah. It was unlucky.
I just unlucky.
I say you go.
People man want to get fast. The competition out there is hot.
Money little bit.
Money little bit.
Bone, brother.
Too much dog, brother.
Too much dog, brother.
Oh my God, man.
Bro.
That's why you cannot stay humble.
You never want that, brother, yeah? Alright. What punch I can know? Before me forgot. Watson.
Oh.
Defending champion.
Oh my word.
Glenn Mills. The greatest ever. 4489.
Yo.
He must be a defending champion, so you don't really need no.
The man from Petersfield.
Did not sell out.
Jesus. Oh yeah.
Did not sell out.
Good, yeah. No town school.
Yeah, no town school.
Yeah. But why?
Yeah.
He's gonna be a problem.
Yeah. It was the B race though.
Yeah.
No knock, but it was the B race.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Time is all that
Time
matters.
is all that. And you see with Antonio though, brother. I say work, you know. I need that confidence, you know. And by first 44 at Jamaica and do it, you know. In a B race, you know, and Vanica did it in a A race. Yeah, man.
Because I expect me for the last World Champs.
True, yeah, that.
Nowhere. See, so what? Listen.
No can't go on run.
No.
Yeah, man, no can't
But
go on go.
Okay.
What
Because I say, so since him qualify, but me that kind of treat it like, like on a regular meet.
What do you mean?
Because since him qualified, they not even have to carry nobody else. But they can do it based on the world standing.
World rankings.
World rankings.
Yeah. I'm going to say own our rankings.
Because big boy, they're not trouble.
No, I'm big boy in our rankings, man.
Yeah. So me I say,
no,
they do it on the world rankings. I made that do it like a champs. Because remember I say, if one man qualify, you know, everybody have to go start qualify too, you know.
I don't like that system.
You don't like that system there? Yes. Because it's too much people in that event them.
I understand what you say.
Them out.
Yeah, I understand what you say. But we are talking about big people and money, brother. Then job, brother.
Can't work that. No, so I don't mean that think more for you. I say, oh no, and I say go.
Yeah, that's what that now.
Yeah, because if me go to school, you know, and then if me qualify, you know, you better qualify too. They say, nah, go.
Yeah, man. Me don't like that rule in that time. Me understand where I come from, but me don't like that, brother.
Or then just select one. If nobody not qualify, then we select one and bring one. You know what I'm saying?
Right now, Roshi in the 36.
36.
Go. Yeah. Dylan don't kill the 48. So he might go. You see me in the right punny. Why? Because 48 people can go.
Yeah.
So
Dylan
don't kill them. Keep on calling money.
There's so much races left to run, bro.
Yeah, but I think he might go stay.
He
overseas, run, man.
I feel run if you're on the bubble.
Yeah, man. Literally on the bubble, yeah. Tell a boy.
Boy.
Bro. And then another news. Outside that two of them we had to go to Podiums. Ralford again beat the world record holder. Can't pronounce my name. Michael. Michael? Michael. Hey, whatever I want name. Yeah, man. Beat the general one.
That's it, another confidence boost, right?
Yeah. After the collegiate season, bro. Bro.
And then, when me see it, I say, watch out, man. Even though my name gone in transfer portal, so another man come feel it vital, step up because we don't lose one.
Yeah.
You see me?
And see wanna come up from the Panam there, so. And see this man there right there, so.
Yeah.
No, we not skip a beat. We might race, you know.
Yeah.
But we not skip a beat.
So you go feel like we not even miss them.
I mean, look at it. We stop talking about them.
Yeah.
Literally stop talking about them. You see me? Love when I see me, but
yeah, of course.
you see me? You don't know anything set, bro.
But we don't want to
Yeah, I know what you mean,
Mustard,
man.
yeah,
Yeah. You think capacity in a way.
Turkey happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. me chat to Ralph for the agent. I see him actors them. Let me chat to him Friday, I think. He call me and yeah, I've got to talk to you about half a year. I have some words for you, you see me?
For me?
Yeah, he must
Listen,
say,
man, I'm getting an agent.
no, I'm not deep in the money. What he must say is that he must say Jack on win.
Oh.
You see me? Yeah. Me nah say I wish agent from Actos.
Oh.
There's I think about 3 of them. So
Yeah, that we can't talk about.
Yeah. Anyway, in general, I call me and tell me say, your brother nearly must not go. Cause he feel tired. Yeah. And then go and go beat the champion. Yeah.
Yeah, because
He nearly must not go, brother.
Well,
Yeah, bro.
right now, all tiredness gone right now. No?
Yeah. But here why nearly must not go now? I'm tired, yes, but your brother is an engineer.
Oh.
I never knew this, brother.
Double word that, brother.
Brother, he might like I think school will start this week. Yeah, they might tell me. Yo.
Whoa.
Never
That's
know
even
say,
more impressive.
brother. I never know say this man an engineer, brother.
Bro, that program is very hard, bro.
Crazy, bro.
Yeah,
Crazy, bro.
mental strain, brother.
Brother, at that time, yeah, look like nothing on his face. Can I calculate everything? No, never see.
Yo, that makes sense. That makes
bro,
sense. Yeah,
brother,
yeah.
Nothing never depend on money.
Yeah, him never smile or anything.
Nothing, brother. You see man, all the man, wouldn't picture them, dog. The man does. Dog, the man does look so dog. Yeah, bro.
It's true.
Right, true, bro.
Yeah.
Right,
But that make it more impressive, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Take on an engineering program, go through a collegiate system, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man. Dangerous to you, man.
And if you had to track with that, that's terrible.
Crazy, bro.
That's why they always steer people from that program, they know?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
It's
Killer,
deadly.
man. Killer, man.
Oh, God.
Killer, man.
And I hope it look like a smart youth.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, definitely.
I
Definitely.
get good grades. Obviously, you have to get good grades to be eligible.
Yeah.
So, I mean, what do I have to do?
Yeah, man. So we look into Diamond League, you know. 1-1 lead.
All
right. Jordan Scott, number 1, 31 points. Probably gonna win. You think? All right. Better. Me ask the question, I answer. Can you try that?
Yeah.
You think Jordan will go Diamond final?
But they never make you one rule say after did if you win.
No, actually somebody commented that day and clarified.
And clarify, so you don't have to go?
You have to go at the final and win. So
And
all
win?
of that no matter.
What?
Yeah. Remember me I tell you?
No!
Yeah. All that no matter. None of that no matter.
So, all
of
these
this,
points when I accumulate.
I just money.
Money.
I
You base
just
on the money.
No. The points basically equal money, but if you not go at the final and win,
You don't get the trophy?
You not get the trophy.
So somebody can just come out of Blues and win the final and win the trophy?
That is just jumping fear, you know, bro.
That's the most ridiculous thing I ever hear, bro.
Rules are rules, brother.
What?
Rule athletics,
No.
Yeah,
That no fear.
That no fear.
That no fear, brother. All of them points I mean work up.
Rack up. Money, you get money from this still.
Yes.
Yeah, me get what you say.
But I want me trophy.
Yeah, me get what you say, man. Me get what you say.
They set up as one competition base, bro.
Yeah.
They accumulate certain amount of points and thing. And then on the last day, you go say, oh, me have to win 2. I have me a lead.
But maybe people now show up at final. So I lose money on that. Maybe that.
Boy, that's crazy, but
Yeah. All right, look one time, you to take win conference and I run 4x4.
yeah, because okay.
Yeah, they don't win already.
Yeah.
You see me? Kishian, the number 2, 23
Him nah
points. Him not go. All right. Romain Beckford, high jumper. Second, 28 points.
Him not win.
You don't think he might win?
No.
All right. Wayne Pinnock, second.
Him go win.
All right. Rajinja Campbell, 5th.
Oh. Me not know. The show ain't tricky, bro.
Yeah, tricky for real.
The show is very tricky, bro. Me have to go on D-Day for that one.
All right.
Yeah.
Kieran McLeod, 5th, 15 points.
Me not know, bro.
No. Yeah, me know either.
Me not-
Especially Reno going with the brother.
Yeah.
We didn't even understand that, brother.
Me not know it at this time, bro. Cause him and the other youth when did they? Think it was them jump.
Tajay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me not know.
Yeah.
Anyways, me not know about that one.
Yeah. All right.
But I want to see that showdown with him and Pinnock, though.
Yeah, definitely.
By the way, 3 of them.
Yeah.
Want to give you something for your Diamond League.
Final.
Bit hopeful for going into World Champs.
Yeah. For you man, them, I know.
Well, because we don't go get no World Champs. So we want your Diamond League.
we don't get your trials.
We don't get your trials. We don't get your World Champs. We need to second this Wayne Pinnock and Kerry McLeod match up. Like, what's going on? We need a rematch. And we need it.
No! Alright, on to you, man, I know. Ricky Shanika record triple jump. First.
Easy win.
Alright. Anjanette Knight second, 30 points, 4 hurdles.
Tricky.
What do you think she's gonna beat her? Oh, a lead actually.
Tricky. It's a very tricky event.
Yeah, that's tricky.
The hurdle is so, yeah, man.
Yeah.
But me da give her. She run great from season.
Alright. Shrika Jackson 204th.
No, she might not, like, based on the rule.
Yeah.
If she goes, she will win.
But Julian Alfreda go run.
Julian Nango, bro.
Julian go run.
In confirm?
Yeah, man. In picture pose and everything, man. Remember say we tell us Julian no hurt, brother. Remember
me no say no hurt.
Yeah.
But me feel saying just go back off your side season.
Why? Maybe through them attack saying, oh, you know, I'm not jinx it. But me not gonna say something. Them attack so you hurt. She say, yo, see me here.
Yeah, that's a minute. I'm going to confirm.
Yeah.
A good matchup.
Alright. Cool. Arika Nugent, 100 meter, 5th. Now have it. Alright. Tina Clayton, 600 meter. We have
Jefferson.
Alright. Smart man. Daniel Williams, 6. Alright. Tia Clayton, 100 meter, 8. Alright. Calm.
Yeah.
Okay. Calm.
I mean, and then they all have to confirm with them. Because some people you pull out.
Yeah.
And nothing. But they can't figure grand final, brother.
True.
The only matchup me don't want to see is Lies and Runaway Trade. Me don't want to see that again.
Yeah.
Me don't want to see that until World Champs.
That get old. Yeah,
that get old.
I know. Yeah.
Want is suspense a
yeah.
bill.
Yeah.
We don't have to soon run every day. No.
Yeah.
Wet him one time. Wet him again.
Yeah.
Calm down now.
Yeah, man.
We good now. Don't give no chance to redeem himself.
True.
You see me? Come show up on the day and run off your mouth now. You know what I'm saying?
True, yeah, talk.
Yeah.
True, yeah, talk.
Now where's a call? Not even Seville me no want to see run back with.
I think I run again. I think Seville run again.
I want to say, you're only good as your last race, brother. You will always have that mind in 2, boy. You beat me last meeting now. You get me? So,
I know you love chat already, brother.
Love chat, brother. Good. So you go. Yeah, a condition it. Right now, I say 969 now.
Who that?
Seville.
Hold on, say, have him over Kishi now?
No.
Okay, so what Kishi run then? 96, 95?
No.
96 even?
96 high. Both of them, if they execute the race properly, brother.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say.
Well,
if Kishian then get that start there.
Yeah.
Alright, let me tell you. You see, if Kishian start where I do other day,
yeah,
and have Lies finish,
yeah,
it will be deadly creature, bro.
Can't get everything still.
Can't get everything, you know what I say?
Can't get everything.
But he might work on it though.
Yeah.
One
thing though, Oblique, he have a start.
Yes.
Very good start. Yeah, him gone quick.
So that's what I say. He need for us running a race other day.
Yeah.
And that's why he losing, you know?
Yeah.
Because he not running a race no time at all.
None at all, brother.
But knowing got they go running your own race. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Point pang boy and say.
Yeah. Say, in a rain.
In a rain, brother.
98 by 8 top.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I really talk.
Sure, boy for the.
Shut, brother. I mean, even if you didn't see post-race interview with them after that, brother.
I say one, but I'm not to follow up interview them, man. I say one.
I be a waste man interview. No, man, that interview people them dog. Waste man, brother. Look, it's like a full question man ask, brother.
But me say flow.
We don't like.
I was like, what the fuck? About 6
good. I'm not ready, brother.
Bro.
I'm not ready, brother.
Man, don't be a
Foolishness, brother. Yo, get some sense, brother.
Yeah, but anyways.
What else you have? I'm done today. Anything else?
I mean, most everything cover. We just want that lead them to stay healthy going in this Diamond League thing.
Oh, and that qualification period done.
Yeah, it's close.
So we wait until it's done to come chat. So all who don't get call, your fault. I talk about from the J3.
I talk big boy.
Yeah. No, big boy I go. Big boy. Man is 35th in the world. Can't get no worse. Can't get no worse. Listen.
Now you got Coons, it qualify and go.
I got to train a foreign. I got train a foreign, brother, eh? Now you got coach a rated Steve. Yeah? It's a Steve and coach.
They can't play with the Jamaican them still not got coach. If we get dark,
yeah,
you know.
Man, dark,
They know who they can play with. You know what I say? And they always want to take advantage of people who don't have the bucketive.
Brother. When if I choose still, but me say some of the dad them get stuck out of sin there because some visa thing. After the Panams.
What? How can I nonsense?
Hold on, make sure we find it, dog.
Well, on seniors are
under 23.
What? What?
Can I party shop here?
This is crazy.
Crazy, bro.
Oh no! So how them get in our country?
Well, I don't know, you know. It's a Panam country, so it's a CARICOM country, so you probably don't need visa.
Right.
But maybe they fly through somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't know if it's true. We don't know if I can't just rumors, but
no, this is a bull. No, this that's not false, bro.
Yeah.
That is coming from the school board itself.
Yeah.
That's not false. There is no way they might come to an unconfirmed story like that.
Yeah. So.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So all who forgot to okay if you don't get a visa by now, you know, so you're not go. That way I say. If you don't get a visa by now, you're not go. You see me? You're not go.
Yeah, but just want to lead them for just stay healthy, stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
And I say eat right.
Yeah.
And I say I'm go and do the recovery, take nobody real serious right now.
True.
I'm gonna go into this big old world championship, you know, because definitely want some medals.
Try Evans. Money I work on Brian Level. Big up yourself. He's a therapist. Me see man start post 11 minutes. Yeah.
I be good.
Yeah, man. You can't have them Kelly Bartley there now build everything, bro. Yeah, man.
Marketing.
Yeah. Yes. Marketing. Brother, man post level for now till the morning, brother. Yeah.
We sure you work where man do.
Yeah, bro.
Because he contribute. He have a contribution to him success.
The man, I live the machine, brother.
Yeah.
Literally, brother.
Yeah. He's a mechanic.
The mechanic. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Yo, I'm so happy for you, at least. I like the transition that we are going on.
Yeah,
especially, I feel like there's some redemption.
Yeah, man.
This year,
we look good, man.
I never have this confidence last year.
Yeah.
I didn't like it at all. But this year,
we feel
I know
feel
I can put my money in my mouth
Yeah,
there.
real. And last thing, you have anything else?
Good, I know.
School I go start back, so make sure you no get in the classes them right.
Yeah.
You see me? And if you're in a school, you're an adult, tell the people when I go to school to make sure them get them things sorted out. They have about a week.
Yeah, about.
They don't no. Like they have a week after they start. You can change in class. That's how you go. Yeah. So figure out if you want the class them or not.
If you want a course.
If you want a course, brother.
If you want a major.
Yeah, because I think the eligibility is what? 1.8 for GPA. Yeah,
you sure?
Low.
What?
A 1.8.
I thought it was 2.0.
No.
1.8?
A what?
That's crazy.
2.0. Not can't 2.0, man.
2.0, man.
A 2.0?
Yeah, bro. 1.8 is too low, bro. 1.8? Are you
nah,
crazy?
Man.
But it got to be 2.0.
See that?
But it track team when they require might be a little higher. I thought about the NCA one, but
yeah.
But they're not really business. If you're good, if you're good, you see we fling in it if you get the eligibility. But
because this is a 2.3.
2.3.
Damn.
Yeah, 2.3. Yeah.
Kind of high still.
That's not high.
No, not high, but
that's easy to get, brother.
Hey. Anyway.
You can't get.
Yeah.
You need a couple B in it. You could get RC, but you go run out to 2.0, so you need a couple B's.
Yeah, that's what they're changing.
Yeah.
Seeds get degrees thing. They probably hear about it.
Yeah.
Just cut out.
Yeah, because a B, I think of the 2.0. But
probably 2.0, yeah.
Bare minimum RC equal 2.0, you see me? So.
Yeah, but definitely make sure you say when you get in the class and start out. Very important. And if there's an incoming or a outgoer, GPA matter.
Yep.
We say no matter, you know.
Hey, GPA matter from high school.
Yeah.
It really do, bro. It's public service at the moment.
Announcement.
You see the GPA when you're from 7th grade to 11th grade, it matter, especially when you try to make a transition into the NCA system. You hear that?
Yeah.
Because you go up on one scale, and then if you're not have a certain GPA, I'm gonna mess up a JUCO, come on.
Yeah. And nothing wrong with JUCO.
Nothing wrong with JUCO still.
Yeah, nothing wrong with JUCO. Yeah.
But take it serious, because me never did take school serious until about 9th grade. If anyone name jump that a champs, my trials,
Yeah.
the 1586
Yeah.
or 83, I don't remember exactly.
Yeah.
If me never jump that, bro, me not think me not take school no farmer serious, bro.
So what you feel like you do?
What me that do?
Yeah.
Boy, me no know. Me think me not go in the army, because I always want to go in the army. Think not go in the- Yeah.
Can't say that.
Yeah, me not go in the
Can't say that.
army.
Can't say that.
Yeah.
Can't say that.
After that one jump just changed my life, bro. And people say, yo, school.
Yeah.
I say, boy. Me did I go to class and see, you know, studying and like a test in the class, man.
This time, bro.
Because I start the subject from 9th grade.
That's where you start go school? You start the subject?
Yeah. That's
You never did
what
that,
I'm telling
really?
man, I'm in a 11th grade now.
Yeah.
And like me, school class and something, you know, man. I say, yo, no, don't follow me, you know, brother, man. Sit down for the subject, them already, you know. By the time I reach 11th grade, I have 4 subjects.
Yeah, bright boy, man.
I tell you
What
what,
subject you have?
level. Yeah.
I know that. No, I never know for real. No, serious. I never know that.
I'm just going that radar, bro.
Why not
People
keep that
stereotype a
down,
lot,
see?
bro.
Yeah, look
people
at
see
that buckle out, brother.
Yo, people stereotype me a lot, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You see me, I say, okay. Yeah.
Bro, I think me have 11 in total, including keep.
Me include me keep.
You include the keep?
Yeah.
Okay,
me have-
alright, okay.
Me have 9 CX and then the rest of keep.
Okay, yeah.
So me just group
Yeah,
everything.
man, I say,
Yeah. And
Yeah,
then
bro.
You have your associate or your degree. Man, like you have your masters and
Yeah.
everything. You know?
Yeah, man, you can't go far.
You can't go
Far. All you have to do, run and pass your class then, brother.
Simple.
As that. But anyway, respect for your reasoning. As usual, like, share, subscribe. If anything, question, comments, concerns, just comment it, isn't it? Or just email it. The reason being pod@gmail.com. Simple as that.
Official.
Yeah, man, long time, man. You know, you used to still, but you want to email me, just email, we can fix it, you see me? 'Cause you don't know. We care about the viewers, you see me? When someone want light, let there be light. You see me? When you never like the black background, so get a white part. Simple as that. When you sound loud, so me get loud. What more you want? Simple as that, brother. But anyway.
So let us know.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself, viewers. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
See you in the next week. Like,
Yeah,
share,
man.
and subscribe. And don't know. Boom.